If you watching my videos, you might have noticed that the TPMS light has been always on my dash, right? So I have owned this bike for a couple of months and it has been on since day first. But I never had the time to think about it. But today, finally, I found time and I quickly fixed it. So now I'm gonna share it with you guys. It's very simple. You need, if your TPMS light is on, follow this procedure. It's very quick, very easy. Everyone can do that. But if it doesn't work for you, then it's time to call your dealer, talk to them, or take the bike to them to fix it for you. Let me quickly show you the TPMS on my dash. It's gone now, but when I'm switching it on to the on position, you're gonna see the TPMS. It's gone now, so you won't see that any longer because I fixed it. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need and how you need to fix it, right? So I'm gonna leave it in this position. So all you need is inflator. I have this guy right here. And then you need to do this process to both of your tires, to the front and to the back tire. The back tire, as you guys might know, it's a bit more difficult to get into it, and I don't have a center stand, so I'm gonna skip that one. I already done it and the problem is resolved, but to demonstrate, I'm gonna only demonstrate the front tire for you, and but you remember that you need to do it for the both tires, right? So as you see, I have the bike in this position. It's on position. The engine is off, but the electronics are on. So what I did is simply remove the cap, turned on my inflator, there we go. So you see that it's reading 35.9 or 36 PSI, right? So the front needs to be 36 and the back needs to be at 41 PSI. So I'm gonna have this one to 36 PSI. 34, 35, 36. But look, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lower the PSI, right? So I'm gonna drop the PSI as quick as possible to somewhere around 15. Okay. Oh, it's still at 24. Okay, let's do that. You need to do that quickly, okay? So bring it as low as possible. There we go. It's reading 11 PSI now, or almost 12 PSI. So that's good. So it dropped. You need to do the same to the back tire as well. And now I have the gauge set on 36. So I'm gonna inflate it now. You're gonna leave it like this to be for a minute, and it's gonna be for a minute because look, it's gonna take even more than 1 minute for you to lower the pressure for the back tire as well, right? By the time that you are back to the front tire, it's gonna be more than a minute or two for the TPMS sensor to read the pressure of the tire, right? So now we're gonna inflate it. Let me just turn it on. Let's take a look at the dash. Okay, so there we go. Now the pressure on the tire is 36. So you need to do the same thing with the back tire as well. And at this point, when you finish the back tire as well, at this point, when you come to your bike, you're still gonna notice the TPMS sign here. But as soon as you start riding your bike, after just a minute or so, the TPMS sign gonna be gone from your dash. So this happened to me. Like, I had TPMS light on for a couple of months, and finally, you know, it's like I did this and resolved the issue. So what's gonna happen is that when you dropping the pressure on your tire, so what happens is that as soon as you drop, when you're dropping your pressure of the tires fast, the sensor gonna kick in, right? The sensor gonna be activated, and it's gonna reread the tire pressure, right? So that's why you're gonna leave it for about a minute, and you're gonna do this one to both tires, to the front and to the back tire, and you're gonna inflate it again to 36 PSI for the front and 41 for the rear tire. And then after that, you can turn on the bike and start riding it, and the TPMS sign gonna be gone from your dashboard. So that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope that if you have had this problem for, you know, it's like you don't know how to fix it, hopefully that this solution gonna resolve your issue. Take care.